Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. When you pivot a panel dataset in Python, the operation involves restructuring the data from long to wide format, typically using the pivot_table function in pandas. When you place months on the y-axis and years on the x-axis, you're essentially transforming the dataset to have months as rows and years as columns. This reorganization allows for better visualization and analysis of the data. Let's create an informative tutorial using Python and pandas to demonstrate this process with a code example. Ensure you have Python installed along with the pandas library. If you haven't installed pandas, you can do so via pip. For this tutorial, let's create a sample panel dataset with columns for year, month, and a variable, such as value. Now, let's pivot the dataset, placing months on the y-axis and years on the x-axis to see the value for each combination. The resulting pivoted dataset will display the value column across different months and years. It organizes the data where the rows represent months, the columns represent years, and the cells contain the corresponding values. Pivoting a panel dataset in Python using pandas allows for a convenient restructuring of data, particularly for better analysis, visualization, and interpretation. The pivot operation rearranges the dataset to make it more accessible for exploring trends and patterns, especially when comparing values across different time periods. ChatGPT